Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Can I go to the bathroom, please? Can I go to the bathroom, please? May I borrow a pencil? May I borrow a pencil? I forgot my homework at home. I forgot my homework at home. Can you help me with this question? Can you help me with this question? When is the next test? When is the next test? What time does class end? What time does class end? Do we have any homework today? Do we have any homework today? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? What page are we on? What page are we on? I didn't understand the lesson. I didn't understand the lesson. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Can we work in groups? Can we work in groups? Is it okay to ask a question? Is it okay to ask a question? I need help with this problem. I need help with this problem. Can I drink water? Can I drink water? May I come, teacher? May I come, teacher? What's my homework? What's my homework? Can I go outside? Can I go outside? Where is my book? Where is my book?